Yeah, I gotta admit, I have a frickin' blast doing reviews about the MIF, the MILF. What's the MILF? What's the MIF? What is it? Come on, Santa Claus beard hippie. Come on, horsetail hippie draper. What is the MIF MILF? All right, is it the multiple income funnel? All right, is it mothers I'd like to be friends with? That's it. I like to be friends with everybody, not just mothers, fathers, and oh my gosh, brothers, sisters, and sometimes even in-laws. Do you guys have weird in-laws where you just pray to baby Jesus that they do not come to your house during any holiday? You don't even want to go to their funeral. You just want to like maybe send a couple roses and say, "Hey, it was nice. It was totally nice knowing you." But I've got more important things to do, like I don't know, like drink coffee and watch Netflix. Okay, so cheers to that. Mm. Ah, watch this. Only guys can do that. Girls, you're not allowed to. Guys, we're nothing better than an animal that walks on our hind legs. All right, when we watch it, we even, I don't even have sleeves. I just put that coffee all over my body and it makes me smell organic because I like to drink organic coffee with mushrooms in it. And people are like, how come you're in such a good mood? And I go, well, after my 12th, 13th cup of coffee with magic mushrooms in it, um, that just gets me started. That's before 8 o'clock. And then by noon, I kind of transform into Mr. Rockstar Monster Energy Drink Boy. Okay. Now, sure, I sleep about 1 hour a night, and I got more caffeine in my blood right now than probably Juan Pablo from Colombia or Mr. and Mrs. Folgers. Okay. But no one ever accused me of being boring or tired. Okay. So, what should we talk about? I want to talk about the myth MILF. Okay? Is it the the myth myth about MILFs? Okay? Well, the myth is, does the multiple income funnel work? Okay? All I can do is storytell. I just tell people how it is according to April 26th, 2024. I'm like Stardate Captain Kirk. I'm looking for Spock. I'm looking for Uranus because I want to land on it and stretch my legs, get comfortable, then maybe head on over to the moon for some cheese. But as of April 26, 2024, guys, I can't complain. All I do is just promote one link. And that's all you do. After the multiple income funnel is set up and you decide 2 out of the 4 incomes, and if you don't know which ones to pick, don't worry about it. I'll suggest 2. They work for me right now. And they're both cheap as hell and they both churn out cash. So if you'd like to take a little siesta, just kind of rest. Go like this. Get a little coffee or something. I don't know. Get like a Snickers bar, something nutritious, and just sit back and watch the screen. Watch your cell phone. Okay? I'm going to take you on a little ride, a little journey. Okay. This is the beginning of my multiple income funnel. Okay? I bought pleasewatchvideo.com because I used to say it 50,000 times a day. So I got a hold of GoDaddy, and for $11 I bought pleasewatchvideo.com, and now it goes to this page. This is built by the multiple income funnel. It's one of a lot of other capture pages you can use. But go ahead and just click the red button here. Watch this YouTube video. It shows 100% what I do to churn cash, okay? Now, if you're going to join, let me log in and show you what it looks like and what it does. Okay. This is just the page when you first log in, and you set up your funnel first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, you got to set up e-wallet because you can live just about anywhere on planet Earth and you can get paid through e-wallet. I just use my bank here in America, so every Friday I know what I'm getting paid. In a day or two, it just basically by Monday, it's automatically in my account. So I know what I'm going to make for the week Friday, and it deposits every Monday. All right. And you got to set that up. And I'll help you set this up too. If you join under my group, I'll do whatever I can to help with the setup phase because it's kind of a pain. It takes a little while, but I've got it down to the science. So I can really help you set this up rather quickly. Okay. You're going to go up here and just check out all these links. The links right here, this tab, this is where you can decide which capture page. I just like Hawaii. I love the islands. I love working on my tan and having a nice cold drink. And I just love this capture page. And if you use it, all I can say is it works for me. It really works well. And there's tons of training. All right. You're going to build a team. And if people go ahead and just look at this opportunity and put their name and email address in the capture page for 45 days, this company takes over and just asks them, hey, do you have any questions? Do you want to join? Do you not want to join? They just handle things, because I might be busy riding giraffes, or I might be shaving my legs or something. And this company takes over and does a lot of marketing for me. Okay. Now, when it comes down to what businesses, the first business, and let me just go in to what mine is configured like. I could go down here. Here we go. Click this button. All right. This is my funnel. Now there's 4 incomes. I'll just go over them briefly. This isn't a tutorial how to set them up, but I just want to give you the 50,000 foot kind of looky at what I do. Okay. Now the first income is just this opportunity you're looking at. All right. If you join for the month at $49, I get 20. So thank you. It's like you're buying me breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Okay. If you want to upgrade and join for the year, guys, my commissions are now 200, and that's where things get serious. Because if you upgrade, I'll tell you what, your commissions are now $200. And out of the few hundred people that have signed up with me with this opportunity, just the last 2-3 months, 7 out of 10 sign up for a year. So every day I usually get 1, 2, sometimes 3 people. Guys, that is $200 to $400 to $600 a day. I've been making this kind of money for 2-3 months now, every single day, just on this funnel. So if you're going to join, you got to join for the year. Please join for the year. I want you to get those $200 commissions. All right. Number 2 is LiveGood. $49.95. If you'd like to come aboard, I'm doing real well in LiveGood. I signed up 4 people just in the last 2 days. And go to joincory.com. Check out the YouTube video. If you want to join, just sign up and I'll help you. I'll really help you in LiveGood. This is my baby. My lead gen is the 3rd income stream. Sign up with these guys for $30 a month or $1 a day. Guys, you get 1 to 200 leads, depending if one person just signs up with you as an affiliate. Guess what? You get 200 leads, 6,000 email leads a month. I love this company so much, I have 5 accounts with them. All right? This is serious. This is a serious deal here. You need to get this in your life. You need to email. It's just something I think that is absolutely critical, April of 2024. You got to do massive amounts of emails. And guys, it's only $1 a day. Super cheap. So we're going to get leads and traffic and clicks to LiveGood. And we want them coming to the funnel too that you're looking at now. Now, the 4th income is Traffic Authority. These guys, I always compare them to the Harvard University of online marketing, information, and courses. Sure, you can buy traffic. You can buy leads and clicks from these guys. And if you want to just point all your traffic right to this funnel, right to pleasewatchvideo.com, like right here. Guys, I'm telling you, it's turnkey. Once you set this up, all you got to do, in my opinion, is get some business cards made. Go $20, $25 at Vistaprint. Go to GoDaddy, buy or anywhere. You don't have to go to GoDaddy. And just forward to your own capture page link. See that right up there I just highlighted? You're going to have a bunch of pages. This is just my favorite one out of many. And that's it. You're going to go back here and just configure things and go through the leaderboard, see who's kicking butt and taking names. Who's number 1 this week right now? I don't know. Should we see? Should we see who's doing pretty good in this company? Let's see. Who's number 1 in the leaderboard? Let's see. Is the leaderboard even? Oh, Cory Draper. There we go. All right. How we doing, man? Overall in the company, I seem to do pretty darn good. I have a great time just training and just showing people what I do. All right. You can see right here, I'm in a contest every month, and right now I'm doing really well. I just love Tracy and Carol and Jeff and Luann. Everyone is just doing really well, just hustling and bustling. Everybody just earning money and just, passing on the information about watching a video. Hey guys, you want to watch a video? Okay, go to pleasewatchvideo.com, whatever your domain name is. Don't over-explain this. Just say there's 4 incomes, and if they just will watch this video first, it does a way better explanation than what I just did. Let them sit down and decide yay or nay. I swear, guys, if you have a few $100 and you want an online business, you've got to look into this. April of 2024, good job. These guys are kicking massive ass. I don't care what any review says. Anyone tries to badmouth this funnel, they're just full of crap. They haven't joined it and they just do scam videos or some type of bullcrap trying to make you join their opportunity. I'm telling you straight up. I do live Zooms. I make what? I got 3,700 videos. Half of them are just pertaining this system. Guys, the money is here. The money can go in your pocket, but you got to join. I just want you to watch the video. No pressure. I'm not going anywhere. And like I said, I will help you 100% set this baby up so you're into the money as fast as possible. That's my goal, okay? All right, well, I'm done. All right, I did a little bit over. My goal is always 10 minutes. It's hard to talk this much in 10 minutes, but I sure appreciate your time. I'm serious. If you have questions about the funnel, I know it extremely well. I know the ownerships of this company. The support is just outstanding. The training is all right there. Just watch these short little videos about how to market. I agree with all of their training. Normally I don't. I have my own ways of doing stuff. But when I watch their training, it's all awesome. What works now, April going into May of 2024. That's important. You don't want to see videos that were made 2-3 years ago talking about this brand new thing called the CD. You know, hey, these new cassette tapes, they're coming out, guys. All right, there goes those albums. All right, you need to learn what's going on right now. You need technology. You need a funnel like this. You just do. All right, don't try to do things on your own. If you're going to promote one thing at a time, all right, good luck. All right, maybe you can get some traction with a YouTube video. Maybe you can post on Facebook now and then. But I'll tell you what, after doing this for 1 year and 1 month, I'm 13 months in. I wish I knew about this funnel system 13 months ago. Man, would my bank account be different. Okay, it's doing well now. All right, thanks guys for your time and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and watch my next videos popping up by my head here if you're on my YouTube channel. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Take care.